Today, I'm walking you through my auto 5-minute proposal system for property deal sourcer. This workflow takes a Google Meet call with a property investor and automatically creates a personalized proposal draft, updates the CRM, and send me a link to review all within a few minutes. I'm not going through every setup detail in these videos because there's a full document link below with all the tools, the requirements, and the step-by-step instruction. Before I show you the workflow, I want to quickly show you the two templates this automation relies on. This is my CRM spreadsheet. It's just a simple Google Sheet. You will notice I already add a simple contact here for John Smith because later in the workflow you see how the call match back to this role. The most important field in this sheet is the contact email or client email because that one value connects everything. If the email doesn't match, the workflow won't know who the call belongs to. Alongside that, I have first name, last name, company name, and the fields that track the sales transcript ID and the proposal status. And this is a Google Slide proposal template. Anywhere you see placeholders like proposal title like this, or bottlenecks, or any of the phase description, though will be filled automatically based on the notes Gemini generated during the call. So let's look at the workflow. The workflow has three phases. The first one, it detects the meeting note and prepares the transcript. This workflow starts with a Google Drive trigger. Listen to the folder where Gemini saved the meeting notes, and the if note check if that file is a general Gemini note and specifically a property deal sourcing sale code based on the name. Because Gemini creates note for every Google Meet call, and we only want the calls related to sourcing deals. If it passes that check, the note is moved into my proposal notes folder, and then you will see set note extract the file ID, the meeting title, and the meeting start time, and the Google Docs get loads the full transcript. And finally, the code note learns the text and extract sections like summary, details, and next step that will fit into the proposal later. So by the end of the phase one, I have a clean transcript and the core details of the call. Let's move on to phase two, match the client detail from your CRM. So first, the workflow look up the related Google Calendar event using the meeting title and a time window around the call. The limit node keeps just one matching event. Then a set node extracts the invitee email from the event description, and that email is what connects this call to the correct CRM record. With that email, the workflow uses search client email in CRM to find the matching investor. And then the if sales code or closing code checks the CRM. If there's no transcript ID stored, it is the first sale call. If there's one ID already, it's a follow-up or closing call, and the workflow branch differently. Let's look at phase 3, generated the proposal, sent for review and update CRM. In phase 3, the transcript and extracted fields are sent to the information extractor, which identifies the key points needed for the proposal template, goals, challenges, the phase of the sourcing project, and the fee structure. And it's using the AI brain here. You can see open router. And then the workflow copies the proposal template, replace the placeholders with the extracted value from AI, and then it send me an email with the draft so I can review it quickly, then send it to the investor while the discussion is still fresh. Finally, the CRM is updated with the proposal status and link back to the transcript ID. Now let me show you a real example. I just finished a call. I actually booked it with myself for testing. And as soon as the meeting ended, Google Gemini automatically created this note. Let me open the note. As you can see here, it has a summary, details, and even notes about pricing or next actions that were discussed during the call. And if I check my drive, you see the file has already been created and moved automatically into my Meet Recordings folder. This note here created at 12:40. Now I'm going to run the workflow and let's see how quickly it turns that call into a proposal draft. Okay, it looks like it finished. Let me check my email. And here it is, an automated email from the workflow with the proposal draft ready to review. Let me open the presentation. You can see here the structure is already filled. Here with a personalized title for a specific property investor. It has the summary, bottlenecks, arms and goals, all different solutions for that customer, different phases, and even the cost structure and payment timeline, all created automatically from the Gemini note. So from finishing the call to having a personalized proposal ready to edit and send, that took less than 5 minutes. Let me check what time. Yeah, here I received an email at 12:43, just 3 minutes after the notes were created. And because it is generated straight after the meeting, I can send it while the conversation is still fresh. And that has made a huge difference for keeping warm leads engaged.